It's fun helping other people.
Students at Pink Elementary are seeing green as they find ways to conserve water.
STEM Rangers is a science night. It is focused on a STEM, hence STEM Rangers, science, technology, engineering, and math. Our students are engaged in all of those disciplines tonight. So they are actually traveling around to 10 different stations, 10 different locations in the world, and learning about the effects of water conservation on food, on farming, on water shortage. They're learning about how pollution impacts food supply.
The event was a collaboration to bring more than your average school event focused on science.
STEM Rangers is a science night program developed with a partnership with Philippe Cousteau and his Earth Echo program and our company Accelerate Learning. Our curriculum writers worked closely with him to develop a science night that was more than just the ooh-ah factor, and rather than just bringing in like GAC and dry ice and those things that you can find, on the internet.
The program captured the attention of students and parents with its lessons and practical approach.
I wanted to see how to help the world, so maybe I can help other people.
I think a lot of kids came through here and they had a great time, and I think for some of them was their first time going through this and understanding through the experiments what it's all about. And I think that gave them an insight into the program or the things that they can do as part of the program.
Because one, it's fun, and two, it's a great learning experience for everybody.
My favorite part of the event, I think, is just that it's so well organized and they have the opportunity to have hands-on experience at all of the different stations. So they get to try out things and really learn by doing.
I think a lot of kids nowadays don't know about saving the environment quite a bit, so understand how the ecosystem works and you can't just waste water will be very helpful.
It's like you learn a lot about water and it's fun.
We actually have the privilege of being the very first school in the state of Texas to actually host the STEM Rangers Family Night. It is a new product for Accelerate Learning for STEM Scope.
With STEM Rangers in its early stages, the students have already gained so much.
The Skittles station where we get to put the Skittles in the water, and then we get to pour the water in the bowl with all the Skittles in it, and then we got to see how all the Skittles dissolved.
We were making like paper that was wet, and then we were making it into paper again by blow drying it.
I learned here, make sure you do not waste water, or make sure your water's clean. Make sure do not the animals die or yourself die or anything else die in your life.
Hopefully they can go back home and think about a positive change that they can make in the school and in the community to save water.
Hopefully STEM Rangers has planted the idea of saving natural resources and benefiting the world. I'm Steele for FriscoISD-TV.